In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email Gmail. If you've ever hit send and immediately wished you hadn't, this is for you. Gmail doesn't truly pull back an email that's already delivered, but it does offer a feature called Undo Send. This creates a short delay after you click send, giving you a brief window to cancel the message before it actually leaves your outbox. Here's how to set that up so you have a safety net every time you email. First, go to Gmail in your web browser and sign in to your account. You'll land in your inbox. Look to the top right corner for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. In the panel that appears, choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings dashboard where you can adjust everything about your mailbox. You'll land on the General tab by default, but if not, click General along the top row of tabs to make sure you're in the right place. Scroll a bit until you find the Undo Send section. This is the key control for recall. You'll see an option labeled Send Cancellation Period. This determines how long Gmail will wait after you press send before it actually dispatches the email. You can choose a window like 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. If you want the most flexibility, pick 30 seconds. That gives you the longest chance to catch typos, add forgotten attachments, or change recipients. The trade-off is simply that outgoing emails take that many extra seconds before they're truly sent, which most people find well worth the peace of mind. After you've selected your preferred cancellation period, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will briefly reload to apply your new settings. From now on, whenever you send an email, watch the confirmation bar that appears near the bottom of the screen. You'll see a message that says something like Message Sent with an Undo option. If you click Undo within the time window you chose, Gmail will stop the send and reopen the message as a draft. You can make edits, add attachments, change recipients, or delete it entirely. If you don't click Undo before the countdown ends, the message is sent and can't be recalled. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. Keep an eye on that confirmation bar right after sending, and consider choosing a longer cancellation period if you often catch mistakes late. With this setting enabled, you'll have a reliable, built-in safety net for your emails,